Hello, my name is David from Dasniv Company from Israel. Today we're here in Zhongtuo Machinery roll forming machine, and now we're at the workshop. As you can see, we have my machine in the behind, and I started to communicate with this company about a year and a half ago, and they helped me a lot to figure out and detail my machine and my need for my new factory at my hometown. After 4 months that I ordered the machine, today it's ready and we're making tests for my machine. Here now we are making profiles, we are producing profiles for 12 houses that I will ship to my country and build in my country 12 houses. It's the part of the test we're taking for the machine, and till now everything goes very well and the profiles works very good. The engineers do a great job. They fixing everything. They make an adjustment for every station and every part we need. We're working here for about a week and we're about to finish produce the 12 houses. The machine works very well. It works very fast. Zhongtuo Company helped me a lot with the production of the machine and now with the production of the houses, and they make a test for the machine and everything goes very well. I'm very glad to make a business with Zhongtuo Machinery, and I'm planning to do more business in the future, and I recommend very well this company, and I think everyone needs to work with this company.